Okay, students, this week we are learning words that have the long U sound. But U isn't going to say its name. The long U is going to be oo. And there's a few different ways that we can make words say oo. So let's go through our words. I'm going to read them first, and then we will do the sounds for our words. Blue, chew, flew, fruit, rude, soup, spoon, truth. Now there's a couple of words in here that they're the same word, but they can have a different meaning. They're spelled different. So this blue is for the color blue. And this flew is like a bird flew away. So let's go ahead and do our sounds. We have ba, oo, blue. In this word, the UE is making that oo sound. Chew, cha, oo. EW in this word. Flew, fa, oo. And again we have EW making the oo sound. Fruit, fa, oo, ta. UI in that word. Rude, oo, da. Rude. But this silent E is hopping over and it's making that U make the oo sound. Soup, sa, pa. Soup. OU in this word. Spoon, pa, n. Spoon. You have OO. Truth, ta, oops, that's a dot. Just one. The. Truth. So only the U making the oo sound in that. Then our review words are toy and coin. Words that you're going to learn this week in your story to read are answer, brought, busy, eyes, enough, and door. Enough is a really interesting word to spell, but let's do our sounds. E, n, a. Now this is really weird, but when you see a UGH together, it says like F. And the O in this sound is making the sound. E, n, a. Just like when we read the word laugh, we have O, A, and then this UGH is saying fa. So that's enough and door. Da, o, So in this word, the O sounds aren't saying oo, they're saying or. So study hard this week and get your assignments done. We'll talk to you later.